All right, Dan, you just demoed the Robotics Cobot Welder. So can you first tell us what is your prior experience to programming a robot?
No experience whatsoever. I've been covering metal fabricating for close to 20 years and have never really been invited to do it because it's not that easy. So this worked out to be pretty simple, and I think it's one of the reasons why you see more metal fabricators gravitating toward collaborative robots in their shops.
And from your industry overview, discussing with other manufacturers, what are the challenges you see them face?
Well, I think it's universal. They finding people who want to go work in their shops. So, this accomplishes many things. I think, the overarching thing is they find a way to do welding without necessarily having a welder or investing in a large industrial robotic welding setup.
Excellent. And what was your personal experience testing it with the application on the tablet?
So I'll be honest with you, the app, I think we all have seen apps, so impressed, but you've seen apps. Moving the robot and whereas it's not the same as maybe picking up, anything lightweight and move it. There's actually a little bit of resistance, easy to move, but a little bit of resistance. So the pathway that I actually created between the 2 points was not linear. It was kind of herky-jerky. And as soon as that second point was kind of incorporated into the control, the robot was able to actually replicate that path pretty smooth. So, yeah, the Cobot can make up for a lack of operator skill.
So now you can say you're a Cobot programmer.
Yeah, I'm sure I'd be welcome in lots of shops. So,
All right, thank you so much for visiting us.
thank you.